some. I got some. Ya te voy a dar dinero, calma, ¿no?
Sí, yo sé.
Oh, ¿a poco?
Y si me das, pero porque te olvida luego. Tienes que recordarte tu mamá. En el caso de tu papá que nos esperamos un poquito porque...
What does that say?
La cirugía va a ser como $3,000.
I don't know what that says.
It's erratic Cyclops. You want me to read the thing?
Yeah, because you have good reading skills.
Oh, okay,
you
okay.
have far eyes.
He's got trample. Whenever you cast an instant or sorcery spell, Rex Cyclops gets plus X plus O until end turn, where X that spell is converted mana cost, and it's also got trample.
I got more cards, like this one.
Yeah.
I don't know what that says. I just know it has a Izzet.
Whenever you cast a blue spell, target creature gains flying down turn. When you cast a red spell, this creature does 1 damage to each creature without flying.
Oh, it's pretty moochy. Hypersonic Dragon, classic. You already got a cramp? Crazy. I don't know what it does.
Flying haste, you may cast sorcery spells as though they have flash.
Thanks, man. Hey, look, Jin Illuminati. Illuminati? Illuminimnon? This guy sucks. He gets replicate to all your spells. Oh, look, Mud a good card. Misery Mortar Overload. Whoa, what do you zoom? Ooh. We're having too much fun with Firemind Research, classic. I have an option of drawing or pinging. It's pretty good. Low CMC. Oh. Mina just farted. What is that?
That was for yawning.
Is that Char?
Yeah, that's Char.
It's a lot of mana for pinging for 4 and 2. Quadcipulate and create a counter and you can jumpstart it. Good card. How close are you to Cerebrium Vortex?
I've already done it like 5 times now, man.
A Cerebrium Vortex?
Yeah.
That's intense. What does it do by the chance? Since you've already
Well,
done it 5 times.
the target player draws 2 cards,
Uh-huh.
then it deals damage to that player equal to the number of cards they've drawn this turn.
So now do it on yourself.
So I'm just going to enter the infinite and play this on myself.
Oh. So you take like what?
So I kill myself before the damage goes through.
Oh, that's smart. Dude. Poggers. Stitch in time. Flip a coin. Get an extra turn. If not, nothing happens, right?
Yeah, man.
You best believe I'm playing that for luck. Invoke the Fireman. I have big brain. I ping you for damage and I draw that many cards. That's how big is Boingus Boingo is my brain. Weird token.
But it says choose
So,
one.
What, draw or ding?
Yeah.
Well, I guess what? I'm gonna draw / ding. All of these are looks like weird tokens.
Tokens.
Yeah. Defender and flying with goblins. Electrostatic field. You just ping for every sorcery. Bang! I took my pieces. Bang! Bang! Started shooting. Goblin Electromanner. You know, you gotta have this guy. It reduces the cost of your sorceries by 1. Come on. Classic. You could just copy, and these are mana abilities. You don't have to tap. You do this all the time in Commander. It's great. We got 2 of them things. You want one? Want one of these?
Nah.
Come on. Gutter Snipe. Classic.
Yep.
Steal 2 damage. Another one. Classic.
Okay.
Now we got what? Keys. What is it? I actually don't know this card.
Alright, so Gilectrode, whatever, deals 1 damage to any target. But if you cast an instant or sorcery spell, you may untap it.
So I could just
So
continue
you
this
tap,
little dance.
ping, untap, ping, tap, ping, untap, ping.
Okay. What is this? Fairy Wizard?
Flying. Whenever you cast an instant or sorcery spell, we Dragonauts gets +2/+0 until end of turn.
It's just a... Oh no, I got 2 of them. Classic Crackling Drake. Classic. It just gets buff for every spell it's in the grave and exile. And a draw card. It's nice. Boilworks.
Land.
Boilworks.
Land.
Boilworks.
Land.
Boilworks.
Land.
Killgate. Killgate.
Uh-huh.
We have the lore of one or the other. Which side are you? I'm a mess. Look at these islands though.
Ooh, island.
Look sexy.
Island. Yep.
What about the mountains?
Mountain.
I like it.
Hot.
Get it, because it's a mountain. Electrify. It's a bad card. I don't like it.
It's 1 mana, man.
Yeah, but you overflow for nothing. What is this card?
Replicate.
Okay, but what does it do?
Alright, so replicate red mana. Destroy target artifact.
Oh, you just blow stuff up. Boom. Is it signet?
Izzet signet.
Thicker than a bowl of oatmeal. Radical idea, dude. Like 420 blaze it. Wait, what?
Pyromantics.
How much does it do?
Or Pyromatics?
Paramedics? Paramedics?
Madix?
Parametics?
Pyromatics.
It does a ping for one, because that looks like it's pings for
Replicate for 1 generic, 1 red. Deals 1 damage to any target.
one. Bruh, that's so expensive. Is it charm? Classic. Wait. Oh, that's where you summon the weird tokens here. What does it do?
Replicate. 2 generic mana.
I'm
1
starting to
blue.
see a theme
Create
here.
a 3/3.
Does it just
Weird.
stay?
Huh?
Does it stay?
Blue weird creature token with defender and flying exile at the beginning of the next end step.
Lame. Oh, flying saucers.
Deals 2 damage to any target jumpstart.
Beacon Bolt, classic. Deal Cho damage, and you could jumpstart it twice based on the number of instants in exile and engrave. Love it. Electrify. Deal 2 damage, and I draw 2 cards. Yeah, draw a card.
Draw a
My
card.
bad. I could split the damage.
What
My
a-
bad.
what a
My
meme.
bad. I'm a memester. Chemist's Insight. Draw 2 cards. Jumpstart it again. Do it again. Rally the... Wait, really? Goblin Rally? We have Goblin
Goblins.
Rally in Izzet.
Goblins.
Why? Konami. I mean, Magic the Wizards. Why?
Goblins.
Then we have Burn and Turn. Well,
Turn and burn, baby.
all I really wanted was this. Everything else could just go away.